So, welcome to this travel edition vlog down to furthest point from the UK, Australia. So I'm currently at Heathrow Terminal 2, about to jump on my United Airlines flight to Houston, and then from Houston to Sydney. It is currently Saturday, 12:30, and I'm due to arrive in Australia at 7:30 Monday morning. So yeah, still trying to get my head around that, but yeah, either way it's gonna be a long day, couple of flights. So yeah, let's jump on the highlights to that, and then we'll catch up probably when we're in Houston and then Sydney. Welcome to Houston, Texas, where it's 6:20 local time, it's 20 past midnight UK time, and it's 11 tomorrow Sydney time. So go figure. 11 hours down, 2-hour layover, and I think another 11-hour flight to go. Let's hit it. Okay, I just googled the flight time from Houston to Sydney. It is 17 hours. Oh my god, I didn't even know aeroplanes could fly that long. It's gonna be a long trip. So, touchdown in Sydney, and first thing first is showers. Showers. Fucking buzzing because I feel like it. So, showered, changed, and straight out into Sydney. I've got roughly a morning in Sydney just to have a quick look around and be a tourist, basically. So I have dumped my bags at the airport, my big bags anyways, and I'm gonna hire a bike and then just go and be a tourist at the Opera House, the bridge, and also head down to Bondi as well. Panorama. This is cool. As a petrol head, it would be rude if I didn't drive the track as soon as I got there, and that is exactly what I did in my Nissan Micra hire car. I'm not sure if the camera does justice as to how steep this bit actually is. It's mad! It must be like 30%, something like 30 degrees, sorry. Crazy. It's the cutting. Again, it's probably the steepest part, this bit here, the apex. Still climbing. Gained some serious elevation already, which you don't really notice how much you actually gain. And this is all just had to be so precise up here. I don't even want to know what's be on the other side of that wall there, because I don't think there's much. Up and over, sticking to the 60 speed limits, which I'm pretty sure they won't be doing in a few days' time. Up and over, so much flow to this track, it's mega. And that natural undulations looks awesome. Wall of Champions. Up and over, turning into McPhillamy Park, dreaded curve on the outside, and it's like something like Wild West Plains, Bathurst, and here skyline. That is just mega. No idea where you're going, just turn in. Obviously this is a two-way road today, so I'm not going to clip the apex, but I'm going to stop just here and have a quick look because we can. This is one of the cool things about Bathurst is, yeah, it's a public road the rest of the time. And there's the Mount Panorama sign from above. Oh wow, you can see the track down here, into the chase, into the pits. Oh, mega. Mega, mega, mega. This place is mad. It looks brilliant. It's just like Nordschleife, no runoff, but rather than Armco barriers, concrete walls and metal and earth banks. What scares me a little bit about Australian motorsport, I must admit, is they seem to have a lot of these concrete barriers, earth banks, and unfortunately that was what was the undoing of Sean Edwards when he was coaching over here. So yeah, I'm interested how they can still get away with that in this day and age, but hey ho, it's another question for another day. Oh, you can just see Mountain Straight just there as well. Very cool, very cool. And then as for the dipper, and everything after Skyline really, just the car is rolling the whole way, gaining speed and momentum. So, and this is in my little hire car, let alone in a proper race car. So that is pretty fast. Again, super technical, super narrow. You've got to be so precise with everything here. And this is just blind. This is a lot tighter than I actually first thought. Obviously one of the most important corners on the circuit. Super tight on exit as well. And again, you're just free falling out of the elbow and down Conrod Straight. You're going to gain some serious speed down here. Crazy. The GT3 cars I saw last year topping out about 280-ish, something like that. By the time they get to the braking point for the chase, which is, that's fast. In such a relatively short straight anyway, so very, very cool. And again, just super narrow down here as well. Wouldn't want to get it wrong down here. And this is a new Walkenhorst livery for 2020. So it's the M Sport colours, but this is the black themed edition for the 34 car this weekend. And it matches the Daytona winning livery car. And I think it looks awesome. So right now we're in the car, the team are doing pit stop practice, and I'm apparently the most qualified one to sit in, press the brake and hold the steering wheel straight. So it's probably the closest I'm going to get to being behind the wheel today, so I'll take any opportunity, as is my birthday as well. So yeah, let's watch some pit stop practice from inside the car. And we finished the day with Walkenhorst getting me a birthday cake and having a birthday barbecue. Because they are my racing family and because they are all such legends, it was an awesome way to finish an awesome day down under. So this is part one of a three-part series of my travel to Australia. This is the travel and arrival. Part two will be the build up to the race, practice and qualifying, and then part three will be the race. So yeah, make sure you tune into those 3 extra vlogs coming, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the trip that I am documenting. Please make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for plenty more racing content to come.